From the highest mountains to the deepest oceans, our planet is adorned with an astonishing array of natural wonders. These breathtaking landscapes and awe-inspiring formations have captivated explorers and adventurers for centuries. In this series, we embark on a journey to some of the most remarkable destinations on Earth, delving into their intriguing histories, uncovering the secrets behind their creation, and witnessing the profound impact they have on those who live in their shadows. Prepare to be astounded by the sheer scale and beauty of these natural wonders, each a testament to the power and artistry of the natural world. Join us as we uncover the hidden stories behind these iconic landmarks and celebrate the incredible diversity of our planet. From the fiery depths of Paracutan volcano to the celestial dance of the Aurora Borealis, we'll explore the science, the history, and the human connection to these extraordinary places. Few sights on Earth can prepare you for the sheer magnitude and splendor of the Grand Canyon. This natural wonder, located in the state of Arizona in the United States, is one of the most iconic landscapes on the planet. Its vast expanse, intricate rock formations, and vibrant colors have captivated the hearts and minds of countless visitors, artists, and scientists alike. The Grand Canyon is not just a simple chasm in the ground. It is a complex and dynamic system that has been shaped by geological processes over millions of years. As you stand on the edge of the canyon, gazing out over its immense breadth, you can't help but feel a sense of awe and wonder at the forces that have created such a magnificent spectacle. Stretching for 277 miles and plunging over a mile deep, this immense chasm is a testament to the relentless power of nature. The Grand Canyon's formation is a story of both gradual and cataclysmic events. Over the course of millions of years, the Colorado River has carved its way through the rock, creating the deep, winding canyon we see today. But the river's work is only part of the story. The region has also been shaped by tectonic activity, volcanic eruptions, and the relentless forces of weathering and erosion. Each of these processes has left its mark on the landscape, contributing to the canyon's unique and ever-changing appearance. The Colorado River, a ribbon of emerald green snaking through the canyon's heart, is the architect of this natural masterpiece. Its waters have been the primary force behind the canyon's formation, cutting through layer upon layer of rock and carrying away the debris. But the river is not just a passive agent of erosion, it is also a dynamic and ever-changing system. Seasonal variations in water flow, driven by snowmelt and rainfall, create a constantly shifting landscape. During periods of high flow, the river can carry massive amounts of sediment, further deepening and widening the canyon. In contrast, during dry periods, the river's flow diminishes, allowing for the deposition of sediment and the formation of new landforms. Over millions of years, its waters have sliced through layer upon layer of rock, revealing a geological timeline that stretches back almost 2 billion years. The rock layers exposed in the canyon walls provide a window into the Earth's distant past, offering clues about the environments and processes that have shaped our planet. From ancient seas and deserts to volcanic eruptions and mountain-building events, the Grand Canyon's rock record tells a story of dramatic change and transformation. Each layer represents a different chapter in this story, with its own unique characteristics and history. The canyon's walls are a tapestry of vibrant hues, each layer a record of a different era in Earth's history. The colors of the rock layers range from deep reds and purples to bright yellows and whites, reflecting the varying compositions and conditions under which they were formed. These colors are not just a visual delight, they also provide important information about the geological history of the region. For example, the red and orange hues of the sandstone layers indicate the presence of iron oxide, which formed in ancient desert environments. In contrast, the lighter colors of the limestone layers suggest deposition in shallow marine environments, where calcium carbonate precipitated from seawater. From the dark Vishnu schist at the bottom, formed under intense heat and pressure, to the Kaibab limestone at the top, deposited in ancient seas, the canyon tells a story of dramatic change and transformation. The Vishnu schist, which forms the basement rock of the canyon, is some of the oldest rock in North America, dating back nearly 2 billion years. This metamorphic rock was formed deep within the Earth's crust, where it was subjected to extreme temperatures and pressures. Over time, tectonic forces uplifted these rocks to the surface, where they were eventually exposed by the erosive power of the Colorado River. The Kaibab limestone, on the other hand, represents a much more recent chapter in the canyon's history. This light-colored rock was deposited in shallow seas that covered the region around 270 million years ago. The limestone is rich in fossils, providing evidence of the marine life that once thrived in these ancient waters. The presence of these fossils helps scientists to reconstruct the environmental conditions of the past and to understand how life on Earth has evolved over time. The Grand Canyon is a living laboratory for geologists, offering a unique opportunity to study the processes that have shaped our planet. The canyon's rock layers provide a continuous record of nearly 2 billion years of Earth's history, from the formation of the oldest rocks to the deposition of the youngest sediments. By studying these rocks, scientists can gain insights into the tectonic, volcanic, and erosional processes that have shaped the region. They can also learn about the ancient environments and climates that existed in the past and how these have changed over time. The Grand Canyon is not merely a static monument to the past, it is a dynamic environment, constantly sculpted and reshaped by the forces of erosion. The processes of weathering and erosion are ongoing, continually modifying the landscape. Wind, rain, and temperature fluctuations all contribute to the breakdown of rock and the transport of sediment. Landslides and rockfalls are common, as the steep canyon walls are constantly being undercut by the river and weakened by the forces of weathering. These events can dramatically alter the appearance of the canyon, creating new landforms and changing the course of the river. Landslides, flash floods, and the ceaseless work of the Colorado River continue to mold its contours, ensuring that no two views are ever the same. Flash floods in particular can have a dramatic impact on the landscape, as they can rapidly erode large amounts of sediment and rock. These sudden and powerful events can create new channels, alter the course of the river, and reshape the canyon walls. The dynamic nature of the Grand Canyon is a reminder of the powerful forces that continue to shape our planet, and of the ever-changing nature of the natural world. Off the northeastern coast of Australia lies a realm of unparalleled beauty and biodiversity, the Great Barrier Reef. Visible from space, this vast underwater ecosystem is the largest structure ever built by living organisms. Comprising over 2,900 individual reefs and 900 islands, the Great Barrier Reef is a kaleidoscope of color and life. It is home to an astounding array of marine species, from the iconic clownfish darting among the anemones to the majestic manta rays gliding through the coral gardens. The reef's architects are tiny creatures called coral polyps. These animals secrete calcium carbonate skeletons, which over millennia have accumulated to form the vast coral structures we see today. Each coral colony is a bustling metropolis, providing shelter and sustenance to a myriad of marine creatures. The Great Barrier Reef is a vital breeding ground for countless marine species, playing a crucial role in the health of the entire ocean ecosystem. From the smallest plankton to the largest whales, the reef supports a complex web of life that extends far beyond its boundaries. Mount Everest, a name synonymous with adventure, challenge, and the raw power of nature. Towering over 29,000 feet above sea level, it is a place that captures the imagination like no other. Here, on the border between Nepal and Tibet, lies the highest point on Earth. The story of Mount Everest begins millions of years ago, a testament to the immense forces that have shaped our planet. As the Indian tectonic plate collided with the Eurasian plate, the land buckled and folded, pushing up the Himalayas and this colossal peak. Even today, Mount Everest continues to grow, a reminder that Earth is a living, breathing entity. The same tectonic forces that birthed the Himalayas continue to push the mountain skyward, albeit at a rate imperceptible to the human eye. This constant state of flux makes Everest a formidable challenge, even for the most seasoned climbers. Its slopes are treacherous, its weather unpredictable, and the altitude itself poses a constant threat. Yet, despite the risks, hundreds of adventurers attempt to summit Everest each year, drawn by its allure and the irresistible call of the unknown. Deep in southern Africa, on the border between Zambia and Zimbabwe, lies a natural wonder of breathtaking power and beauty, Victoria Falls. Known locally as Mosi wa Tunya, meaning the smoke that thunders, it is the largest waterfall in the world, a spectacle that has captivated explorers and adventurers for centuries. The Zambezi River, after flowing for over 1,300 miles, plunges dramatically over a precipice more than a mile wide, creating a curtain of falling water that is simply awe-inspiring. The roar of the water can be heard from miles away, a testament to the sheer force of nature on display. The history of Victoria Falls is as rich and complex as the landscape surrounding it. Local tribes have lived in harmony with the falls for generations, their cultures intertwined with its rhythms and its power. To them, it is a sacred place, a source of life, and a reminder of the interconnectedness of all things. It wasn't until 1855 that the outside world truly became aware of this natural wonder. In the high latitudes of our planet, far from the city lights and the hustle of human activity, nature puts on a breathtaking display, the Aurora Borealis, or Northern Lights. This natural light show is one of the most mesmerizing phenomena one can witness. Imagine standing in the stillness of a cold, crisp night, with the only sound being the gentle rustle of the wind through the trees. Suddenly, the sky comes alive with vibrant colors, swirling and dancing in a cosmic ballet. The Northern Lights have been a source of wonder and inspiration for countless generations, and they continue to captivate those lucky enough to see them. This celestial ballet of light and color, dancing across the night sky, has captivated skygazers for millennia, inspiring awe and wonder. The lights seem to have a life of their own, moving gracefully across the heavens. They can appear as arcs, curtains, or even spirals, each display unique and unpredictable. The experience of watching the Northern Lights is often described as magical, a moment where one feels connected to the universe in a profound way. It's no wonder that many cultures have myths and legends about the aurora, seeing it as a bridge between the earthly and the divine. The aurora is a phenomenon born of the sun, a testament to the interconnectedness of our solar system. The sun, our life-giving star, plays a crucial role in creating this stunning display. It all begins with solar activity, such as solar flares and coronal mass ejections, which release vast amounts of energy and charged particles into space. These particles travel across the solar system, carried by the solar wind, and eventually reach Earth. The journey of these particles from the sun to our planet is a reminder of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our solar system. Charged particles from the sun, carried on the solar wind, collide with atoms in Earth's atmosphere, energizing them and causing them to release light. This process, known as ionization, is what creates the beautiful colors of the aurora. When these high-energy particles collide with oxygen and nitrogen atoms in the atmosphere, they excite the atoms, causing them to emit light as they return to their normal state. The result is a dazzling display of colors that can range from green and yellow to red and purple. The science behind the aurora is as fascinating as the display itself, revealing the intricate dance of particles and energy that creates this natural wonder. The colors of the aurora are determined by the types of atoms involved in the collisions. Oxygen, for example, produces green and red light, while nitrogen can create blue and purple hues. The specific colors we see depend on the altitude at which the collisions occur and the energy of the incoming particles. Green is the most common color, typically seen at altitudes of around 100 kilometers. Red auroras are rarer and occur at higher altitudes, while blue and purple hues are seen at lower altitudes. The variety of colors adds to the beauty and complexity of the aurora, making each display a unique and unforgettable experience. Green, the most common color, is produced by oxygen, while nitrogen can create blue, purple, and red hues. The interplay of these colors can create stunning visual effects, with the lights appearing to ripple and flow like a celestial river. The intensity and movement of the aurora can vary greatly, from gentle, slow-moving waves to rapid, flickering bursts of light. This dynamic nature of the aurora makes it a captivating subject for photographers and videographers who strive to capture its beauty and share it with the world. The northern lights are a reminder of the incredible power and beauty of nature, a spectacle that leaves a lasting impression on all who witness it. The result is a breathtaking spectacle, a tapestry of light that shimmers and dances across the sky, constantly changing and evolving. The aurora can appear in many forms, from diffuse glows to well-defined arcs and rays. Sometimes, the lights seem to pulse and flicker, creating a mesmerizing effect that can hold one's gaze for hours. The experience of watching the northern lights is often described as otherworldly, a moment of pure wonder and awe. For many, it is a bucket list experience, a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to witness one of nature's most extraordinary displays. The aurora is most commonly seen in the auroral ovals, regions surrounding Earth's magnetic poles. These ovals are centered around the geomagnetic poles, which are slightly offset from the geographic poles. The auroral ovals are areas where the Earth's magnetic field lines converge, creating a funnel for the charged particles from the solar wind. This is why the northern lights are most often seen in high-latitude regions, such as Scandinavia, Canada, and Alaska. However, during periods of intense solar activity, the auroral ovals can expand, allowing the lights to be seen at lower latitudes. These ovals expand and contract depending on the strength of the solar wind, meaning that the aurora can sometimes be seen at lower latitudes during periods of heightened solar activity. This phenomenon is known as a geomagnetic storm, and it can create spectacular auroral displays that are visible far from the polar regions. Geomagnetic storms are caused by disturbances in the solar wind, such as coronal mass ejections, which can increase the flow of charged particles into Earth's atmosphere. When these particles interact with the magnetic field, they can create intense and widespread auroras, lighting up the night sky in a dazzling display of color and light. The northern lights are a reminder of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our planet and its place in the solar system, a testament to the beauty and power of the natural world. The year is 1943. In the Mexican state of Michoacán, a farmer named Dionisio Pulido is working his cornfield. Unbeknownst to him, deep beneath his feet, the earth is stirring. With a sudden roar and a burst of ash and rock, the earth splits open. Pulido, witnessing the birth of a volcano, flees for his life. What Pulido witnessed was a rare event, the birth of a volcano on land. Over the next 9 years, the volcano, christened Paracutan, would grow to a height of 1,391 feet. It would bury 2 villages, Paracutan and San Juan Parangaricutiro, under a sea of lava and ash. The eruption of Paracutan provided scientists with a unique opportunity to study the life cycle of a volcano from its very inception. They meticulously documented its growth, the changing composition of its lava flows, and the impact it had on the surrounding environment. Today, Paracutan stands silent, its fiery breath extinguished. It is a stark reminder of the awesome power that lies dormant beneath the Earth's surface, waiting to awaken at any moment. Few sights on Earth can rival the breathtaking beauty of Guanabara Bay, the harbor that cradles the vibrant city of Rio de Janeiro. Flanked by towering granite peaks, cloaked in lush tropical vegetation, and dotted with emerald islands, it is a masterpiece of natural artistry. The harbor's distinctive shape, resembling the mouth of a river, is no accident. It was carved over millions of years by the relentless forces of erosion. Rivers, swollen with rain, cut deep valleys into the ancient bedrock, gradually shaping the landscape. As sea levels rose and fell over eons, the ocean slowly inundated these valleys, creating the intricate network of inlets, bays, and islands that we see today. The iconic Sugarloaf Mountain and Corcovado Mountain, standing sentinel at the harbor's entrance, are remnants of this ancient geological drama. Guanabara Bay is a testament to the immense power of time and the relentless forces that shape our planet. It is a place where the boundaries between land and sea blur, where nature's grandeur and human endeavor exist in harmonious balance. Rising in solitary majesty from the plains of Tanzania, Mount Kilimanjaro dominates the horizon. Its snow-capped peak, a beacon visible for hundreds of miles, has beckoned explorers, adventurers, and dreamers for centuries. This dormant volcano, the highest mountain in Africa and the tallest freestanding mountain on Earth, is a true natural wonder. Its three volcanic cones, Kibo, Mawenzi, and Shira, tell a story of fiery creation and slow, inexorable erosion. Kibo, the highest of the three cones, holds the summit, Uhuru Peak, a Swahili word meaning freedom. Reaching 19,341 feet above sea level, it is a place of stark beauty, where the air is thin, the temperatures frigid, and the views simply breathtaking. Kilimanjaro is a testament to the raw power of nature, a place where the Earth's immense forces have sculpted a landscape of awe-inspiring grandeur. The Iguazu Falls, straddling the border of Brazil and Argentina, stand as a testament to the raw power of nature. These falls are not just a geographical feature, they are a living, breathing entity that has shaped the landscape and the lives of those who live near it for millennia. The name Iguazu comes from the Guarani words "y", meaning water, and "uasu", meaning big, and indeed, the falls live up to their name. The indigenous Guarani people have long revered these falls, considering them a sacred site, a place where the Earth's energy is palpable and the spirits of nature are ever present. These falls, a collection of nearly 275 individual waterfalls, stretch for miles, their combined roar a constant presence in the surrounding rainforest. Each waterfall has its own character, some gentle and serene, others thunderous and wild. The largest of these, known as the Devil's Throat, is a U-shaped chasm that swallows half of the river's flow in a single, breathtaking plunge. The mist from these falls rises high into the air, creating rainbows that dance in the sunlight, a visual symphony that complements the auditory one. The sheer volume of water cascading over the basalt cliffs is awe-inspiring, a spectacle that draws in millions of visitors each year. Tourists from around the globe come to witness this natural wonder, to feel the ground tremble beneath their feet and to be enveloped by the cool, refreshing mist. The falls are a place of pilgrimage for nature lovers, photographers, and adventurers alike, each seeking to capture a piece of the magic that is Iguazu. We will journey to this natural wonder, exploring its unique ecosystems and the impact it has on the surrounding landscape. The falls are not just a destination, they are an experience, a journey into the heart of nature's grandeur. Guided tours offer a deeper understanding of the falls' geology, hydrology, and the rich cultural history that surrounds them. From the walkways that bring you to the edge of the falls, to the boat rides that take you into the heart of the spray, every moment at Iguazu is filled with wonder and discovery. The Iguazu River, the lifeblood of these falls, begins its journey hundreds of miles away, winding its way through the heart of South America. This river is more than just a waterway. It is a vital artery that nourishes the land and the life that depends on it. As it flows, it gathers strength, fed by countless tributaries, each adding to its power and majesty. The river's journey is a testament to the interconnectedness of nature, a reminder that every drop of water is part of a larger, more complex system. Over millennia, this relentless flow has carved its way through the basalt rock, creating a series of dramatic drops and rapids. The geological history of the falls is written in the layers of rock, each one telling a story of ancient volcanic activity, tectonic shifts, and the ever-present force of erosion. The basalt cliffs, dark and imposing, stand as silent witnesses to the river's power, their rugged beauty a stark contrast to the fluid grace of the water that flows over them. The result is a spectacle of staggering beauty, a symphony of water and stone that has captivated explorers and adventurers for centuries. Early European explorers, upon first encountering the falls, were struck by their grandeur, often describing them in their journals with a mix of awe and reverence. Today, the falls continue to inspire, their timeless beauty a reminder of the enduring power of nature. But these falls are more than just a pretty sight. They are a vital source of life for countless species of plants and animals, their spray creating a microclimate that supports a rich biodiversity. The constant mist nourishes a lush, verdant landscape, where orchids bloom in vibrant colors and ferns unfurl their delicate fronds. The falls create a unique environment where life thrives, each species playing a role in the intricate web of the ecosystem. They are a vital source of life for countless species of plants and animals, their spray creating a microclimate that supports a rich biodiversity. The constant mist nourishes a lush, verdant landscape where orchids bloom in vibrant colors and ferns unfurl their delicate fronds. The falls create a unique environment where life thrives, each species playing a role in the intricate web of the ecosystem. The microclimate around the falls is a haven for wildlife, providing a sanctuary where animals can find food, water, and shelter. The rainforest surrounding the falls is a vibrant tapestry of life, teeming with monkeys, toucans, and jaguars, all drawn to this oasis of water and life. The calls of exotic birds fill the air, their bright plumage a splash of color against the green backdrop. Monkeys swing from tree to tree, their playful antics a delight to watch. Jaguars, elusive and majestic, roam the dense undergrowth, their presence a testament to the health of this ecosystem. The falls are a lifeline for these creatures, a source of sustenance, and a symbol of the delicate balance of nature. Deep in the heart of the American West lies a land of fire and ice, a place where geysers erupt from the earth and bison roam free. Yellowstone National Park. This vast wilderness, encompassing nearly 3,500 square miles, is a testament to the raw power of nature, a landscape shaped by volcanic activity, glacial carving, and the enduring forces of erosion. Yellowstone is home to a unique ecosystem, one that thrives on the heat and energy bubbling beneath the surface. Here, amidst the towering lodgepole pines and sprawling meadows, lies a hidden world of geothermal wonders. Geysers, like Old Faithful, erupt with clockwork precision, shooting scalding water high into the air, a spectacle that has captivated visitors for centuries. But Yellowstone is more than just geysers and hot springs. It is a vital refuge for a wide array of wildlife, a place where grizzly bears, wolves, and elk roam free. The park's vast wilderness provides these animals with the space and resources they need to thrive, ensuring that this ecosystem remains healthy and vibrant. From the depths of the Grand Canyon to the heights of Mount Everest, from the cascading waters of Iguazu Falls to the geothermal wonders of Yellowstone, our journey through Earth's greatest natural wonders has revealed the awe-inspiring beauty and power of our planet. These natural wonders, shaped by forces over millennia, stand as a testament to the enduring power of nature. They remind us of the interconnectedness of all living things and the importance of protecting our planet for generations to come. As we continue to explore and learn from these natural wonders, let us strive to be responsible stewards of this precious Earth, preserving its legacy of wonder for all time.